How you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door, and if you got a garage door opener that looks like this, sounds like this, and the chain don't move, you got a blown gear, give us a call at 630-271-9343. We got these in stock. You can come and pick one up yourself, or we can come to you and fix it. We can fix all broken garage door openers near you. Give us a call, 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com, or in person, 650 Ogden. Thanks for watching, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Fix It Gear Busted Garage Door Opener video.